one thing I recommend you do with your PLR videos is to create a funnel out of them. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas of funnels you can create with your PLR videos. The first idea I have for you is to sell the personal use rights to the video product. And then once they purchase that, immediately offer them the resale rights in your upsell. And if they purchase that, sell them the master resale rights in the next upsell, and then sell them the private label rights in the next upsell. Of course, you'd have to check the license that came with your PLR product to make sure you're allowed to sell the private label rights or the master resale rights. Okay, so if you're not allowed to sell the PLR, that's still fine. You might still just be able to sell the resale rights and the master resale rights in the upsells. And if you can't sell the master resale rights, well, at least you can still sell the resale rights. So at least you have a funnel there that allows you to generate some income. Now, the second idea I have for you is just to give away one video out of that video course. And once they opt in on your squeeze page, offer them the rest of the videos for a discount. Of course, you could always offer the rest of the videos later on in the back end, let's say on the download page or in your follow-up series. Okay, the third idea I have for you is to sell one course and then sell a related course in the next upsell, and then sell another related course in another upsell, and so on. You don't want to have too many upsells because you don't want to annoy the customers. I try to stick to about 3 upsells. And one thing I'm not mentioning in all these ideas is the downsells. Hopefully you can figure that out yourself. It's pretty common sense. Okay, but let's move on to the next idea here, is to sell the PLR to one product, and then in the upsell, sell PLR to a bundle of products. Now, once you have these funnels created, you can go ahead and list them on the Wire Plus network, the JVZoo network, or just drive solo ad traffic to it, and of course other forms of traffic.